Good morning, children. Today is Tuesday, and on Tuesdays we used to do sensorial activity, right? Yes, but we have finished our sensorial book. So what shall we do? I had sent you one coloring book. Do you remember? Do you have it in your set? Yes, we'll start some coloring activities. I'll teach you how to color, the proper way of coloring. Okay, we'll start with basic designs and we'll skip some designs if you don't want to. Okay, but you have to do just the way that I am telling you. Okay, so in this video I will be telling you today's lesson, which is coloring, and tomorrow's lesson, which will be maths also. Okay, so you do the coloring today and the maths tomorrow, that is Wednesday. So shall we get started with the coloring? Come. See, I had given you this book. Okay, two books I had given you. One with this letter on it. Okay, I want you to take this book and open that book and turn to the first page. What do you see? You see a square. Very good. Already in your sensorial book you have colored a square, but now I am going to teach you. It was about tracing. Okay, that sensorial activity was about tracing. This activity is about coloring. So watch what I am going to do. Whenever there is a box given like this, what we do is any outline that you call this as outline. Idukku per enna? Outline. So what do is I just go about closer to the outline. Okay, use your crayon and very gentle stroke, back and forth, back and forth. Okay, very controlled movement it has to be. I don't want you to scribble on this, and you have to make sure that you have come to this corner. Okay, from this corner to this corner. Now in the same way you have to color here also, very close to the outline, very, very slowly. We call this controlled movement. Some of you would have already developed it. See that? Very good. Now I'll go on to the other sides also like that. See, in the same way I have done this side and this side also. Now what happens? I just need to color the inner side. Okay, now I need not worry about my color going outside. Okay, start from one side and go gently like this. See that? You start from top. Okay, so I'll do one thing, I'll keep it like this for you. Okay, you start always from top, you start, not from down. Go on like that. When you reach the corners you have to slow down. Otherwise, if you don't slow down, you might end up with the color coming out of the box. Okay, in this fashion I want you to go little by little, little by little, little by little down you have to come. You see that? Do you see any color coming out? No, right? You have to be very slow. Just one picture at a time if you do, you will be able to work on this. Okay? See, I have finished it in this way. And do you see any color coming out? No, it will not come, because I started off very close to the outline. Okay, I made a thick border and then I started filling up color inside. Now after filling the color, the next thing what I have to look for is any white spaces in between. Do you see white color here and there? You can color over it like that. Okay, then fill up all those white spaces which you see here and there. Okay children, don't press too much, you might end up breaking your crayon. So be very gentle with your crayon or your pastel, but fill up all the spaces. Just make sure that your movement, the stroke is very light. Okay, so this is the one page for you to do, and tomorrow or on Wednesday or Friday I want you to try the next shape, which is circle. Will you all try doing it? Okay, please try and do it. Like I said, this is the outline, and you will take your favorite color, and then you have to give closer to the outline you have to give the thick border like this. Okay, remember to give the thick border when in circle. Very, very slow and gentle movement, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay, do not scribble on this. I want to see who does a good job in this coloring. Will it be Zain, or will it be Shasna, or will it be Sarvesh? Let me see how you do it. Okay, I would love to see your book when you finish it. Okay children, now we'll go to our maths. So, shall we get started with our maths class? Okay, I had taught you numbers up to 10, counting up to 10, but writing we had done only up to 5, is it not? So, at least by now have you all been able to identify the numbers 1 to 5? I am sure some of you might have gone even beyond it, but still we have to be very conscious about the number, particularly when we are counting. Okay, that is more important. If you have learnt it, very good. Okay, now I will show you some numbers. I want you to identify what number it is. Okay, can you say what number this is? This is, what number is it? Very good. 3. 3. What number is this? 1. Excellent. 1. What is this? 4. Superb. It is 4. How about this? Very good. 5. We did it last week. 5. This one? 2. Superb. 2. And how about this one? You don't know? Okay, I'll tell you what it is. Come. This is called number 6. Shall I show you how it is written? Come. 6. You start from this end, trace along into a circle. 6. 6. One more time. Start from here. 6. Shall I show you on the board how it is written? Come. So that is your number 6 on the board. Can you see that? Okay. I'll start, like I said, I always start from up. Okay, whether it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we always start from up only. Go down and curl into a 6. One more time. 6. One more time. 6. Do you all know how to count 6? Shall we count and see how many balls are kept here? Come, let's count. As I am counting, I'll strike it off, okay? You can count with me. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is how you write 6. Okay? Easy? Okay. Now I had given you a new worksheet, right? About tracing 6. Have you started doing tracing 5? Is it easy for you using the pencil? Okay, let's see what is there in the workbook. Come. Okay, if you turn to page number 11 and 12, you'll get this tracing sheet. Okay, and on page number 12, the usual what you used to do for identifying the 6 and circling it. Can you see 6 here? Yes. Can you find another 6 in this line? Stop. Circle it. Do you see any more 6 in this? There. One more. One more. One more. And one more 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. So many 6. Okay? Very good. So you've been doing this circling for a very long time. Now I want you to start tracing. So what I want you to do is just like how you do in your English. Start from this point, trace along the space provided and stop. Say 6. Then you take another color. This is how you make your rainbow 6. Go on like this. 6. 6. 6. You see how colorful your 6 is getting? Yes. After you have done that, I also want you to count. Here what do we have? We have some light bulbs here, right? How do you count it? Start from the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how you get this, write this number 6. Okay, if you wish you can color the bulbs also. Okay, that is for you in page number 11 and 12. Next, I want you to turn to page number 24 and 25. In page number 24, you will find these rods. What are these rods? You remember seeing it? These are our number rods. Okay, so what do we do using our number rods? You remember your number rods, right? The one in red and blue color? Yes, with which we had learned the counting. Now, this is actually black and white, but still you can count. Okay, so I want you to count each section of each number rod and say what rod it is. So listen to how I'm doing. The same way you will have to do the remaining. Okay, come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number rod of 5. That's 5. So I circled it. Okay. You have to say what number rod it is after counting. Shall we do for this one? Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Number rod of 3. I have circled 3. In this manner, will you do the remaining worksheet? Very good. Then let's move to page number 25. Generally, I'll give you only 3 pages, maximum 3 pages, 2 or 3 pages only. But this one, we missed doing it last time. That is why I'm giving it to you now. Okay, it's very easy. I just want you to join the dots. You see the dots? Yes. Can you see what is written next to the dot? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want you to join the dot in the order 1. After 1, what comes? 2. After 2, 3. After 3, 4. After 4, 5. What do I get here? A very beautiful house, right? Yes. Similarly here, you see the dots here? We are going to connect these dots. And what is written next to the dot? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we go in the order. Okay, let's start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you see here? 4 and 5. Okay. So this is how you connect the dots. And what did I get? I got a very pretty caterpillar. Very cute. Okay. If you wish, you can also color the house and the caterpillar. Okay. I'm sorry, this has to be done. It should have been done in the previous week itself, because I missed to tell this. You have to be doing 4 pages. But still it is easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So just drawing lines, right? Do it and enjoy your coloring. So children, this is all you have to do today. We have learned to write a new number, which is number 6, and we also did counting of 6, the 6 light bulbs. We did the tracing of 6, and you will have to do the other connecting of dots. The page numbers that you will do will be 11, 12, 24 and 25. Okay, I have written it here for you to remember it when you are doing your activity. Okay children, for parents, I need to tell you that the book was not with page numbers in it. So I want you to give page numbers 1, 2, 3 starting from the first page itself. That is the cover page which has the print on it will be the 0th side. So the side which comes just behind the color, this will be the 0th side. So the page which comes here will be 1. And I would have sent you these sheets. I want you to paste these sheets on this side so that they can do the tracing of these numbers. We have started with 5, 6. The remaining you can try and do whenever they have time. Please add the page numbers below all the way up to the last sheet. And I would have given you some supplementary worksheets with the page number on it. So like for example, on this I would have given page number 3, I would have written. You just need to paste it on the same page. This is for parents who are staying out, who are out of station, and because you are not able to come here to hand over the books, I am sending it with the page number. Please help me to paste this in the page number that is mentioned. Okay? Yeah, thank you parents. And children, I'll meet you all in another video. Until then, bye-bye.